We have a simple query that gives us the entire table. In our case, all the students are represented in this table. Now, what if we wanted to order these students based on their average marks, that is the score they had? We will use the order by clause, which will specify how we want to order these entries. And in this case, we want to order by mark. And we want these to be ascending from the smallest to the highest. And if we run the command, you'll notice now the entries are arranged using the mark instead of the student ID. The lowest mark is tiny from class 9. The highest is can range from class 6 with 96. We can also invert this and order this in descending order by selecting descend, and you can also beautify this. There we go. We have the same table, but now ordered from the highest to the lowest by specifying that we want to arrange this using the descending order. We can also arrange this using the class, that is, we want class and we want that to be descending. We have class and should be descending, and if we run this, we'll have class 3, 6, and you'll note this is arranged in alphabetical order, and we can run this to get this arranged in ascending order. By default, the entries are arranged in alphabetical order when we run the order by clause, and this is more so applicable when you are trying to use or to query the database and we want specific entries to be arranged in specific order. And that's it for order by. And in our next lesson, we'll learn about aggregation functions, which are very important in SQL.